My brothers and sisters, welcome to another book review, and I'm reviewing The Fortress of the Muslim, or Hisnul Muslim. Now, this is a book that is very dear to me personally, and I believe that anyone would feel the same way if you knew about the author, the content, and the importance of the subject. So if I speak about the author, Sheikh Sa'id ibn Ali al-Qahtani, he passed away in 2018 from lung cancer. And he wrote a lot of books, right? He was an exemplary scholar. But this book, it got so much attention from the world. It has literally millions and millions of copies. And one of the signs that a book is accepted by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is that Allah allows the people to accept and benefit from it. You won't walk into a Muslim home or a mosque or a Islamic bookstore except you'll find this book. I guarantee most of you watching have actually read this book or have used it or taught it or studied it. What's the content? The content is the adhkar, your daily remembrance, supplications and dua that you read during the day. If you open the book, it starts with an introduction from the author of why he wrote it. He actually mentions that this is an abridgment of a larger book that he wrote about the adhkar. And he made this one smaller so that it can easily be memorized or read. And it is also a pocket size. Most Muslim Muslims are pocket size, so you can just carry it around in your pocket and get it out whenever you need to. The content, of course, like I mentioned, are the daily adhkar. So what do you say when you wake up? What do you say when you are about to eat? What do you say when you're about to leave your home? What are some of the adhkar that you can say to protect yourself during the day, the morning and evening, when entering the mosque, and even at occasions of worship, during Ramadan, in the prayer, when you're at Hajj? There are so many different scenarios that you go in life where you need to remember Allah and you need to make a supplication, but in this book you'll find most of them. It is a book that is easily read, easily understood. The one that I have over here, you have the Arabic and you also have the English meaning and also a transliteration for those of you that are perhaps struggling to read the actual Arabic. It is a book that I highly encourage for everyone. Like I said, the author who dedicated his life to producing Islamic content produced this book and it became so widely accepted. I mean, this is a bestseller. If you ever wondering whether you should purchase a book or not, you look at how do the people view it. Every single person in the world within the Muslim Ummah are buying this book. And that tells you something. It's truly a gem, and I encourage everyone to get this because it is indeed a page turner.